Hi, welcome to another video from howtooffice.com, and today we're going to be looking at some text functions, mainly left, mid, and right. Here we have our data laid out. We have our president's name, the majority percentage of votes, and what year they won the election in. Okay, we'll start with mid, and what we'll do, the first one here, is we want to remove this asterisk from before each president's name. In order to do that, we'll use the mid function. Unlike the left and right, you don't start at the leftmost or rightmost part of the text. You can start somewhere in the middle. And this will help us out, so we'll do equals mid, open parenthesis. Now, the first argument here is the text, and this will be the text that we're looking at, which is the president's name. I'll use a comma, and we'll do the start number. This is the position where you want to start. Go to the right from there. So in this case, we want to start at the second character because we're trying to exclude the first one. So I'll put a 2 down, and then the number of characters that we want to go over. Since we don't know the length yet, I'll just go ahead and put 40 characters just to make sure that we have enough space to include all the name. I'll cap it off with a closed parenthesis and hit enter. There you can see that it successfully produced the name without the asterisk. Okay, so next let's move on to the right formula. What we want to do here is we have the majority vote column, and we want to just get the percentage. We want to strip out the majority portion. For this, we'll be using the right formula, because here we can actually start at the rightmost and then grab a certain number of characters going to the left. So if I put equals right and then open parenthesis, the text again is the text that we were looking at, a comma, and then the number of characters that we want to go over. So in this case, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now notice I counted the periods and the percentage. Any character, even including a space, will count when we're doing the counting the number of characters. So here, I'll use 5, and then close parenthesis. And you can see it gives me my full percentage. Okay, moving on to the left formula. Our last column is the election year. In this case, we want to just produce the year and not the election. So we'll start all the way over from the left and then count our characters over to the right. We'll do equals left, open parenthesis. Again, text is the text we're looking at, comma, and then a number of characters to the right that we want to go. In this case, we know the year, so it's going to be the year format, so we want to do 4 characters. Close parenthesis, and then there that produces down just the year for us. Okay, and that's a brief explanation of the left, mid, and right functions in Excel. You can definitely get more advanced with the counting of characters using different formulas to count the characters for you instead of doing it manually. If you're interested in any of the formulas like that, check out my other videos and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.